Many of the students, they're asking one question. It is appeared in our home assignment too. So this question number, you can see the third question. Many of the students are asking about solution to this problem. So now I'm going to explain solution to this problem. So this is the question actually. I will read the question. Determine the fly ash geotextile interface characteristics. Let me tell you, these interface characteristics are very important when you're designing any reinforced soil structures. It may be a reinforced soil wall or reinforced soil slope. Here you see the instead of soil, we are using fly ash, and the reinforcing material here we are using is geotextile. Geotextile. So somebody has conducted direct shear test in order to determine their interface characteristics. So we all know what is going to happen in direct shear test. We use to induce shear stresses, and once that I am trying to call sigma. So once we apply normal stresses, so now the particular specimen is going to be fail at a particular shear stress. So here you see when we applied 100, this is the shear stress of 42. So when you apply the low normal stress 200, then you can see here the shear stress is 68. So we have data. Now what we have to do now is we have to plot the stress, shear normal stress versus shear stress graph. I will show you now. I'm going to plot normal stress on x-axis and shear stress on y-axis. Now let us see now. Now it is the time to select a suitable scale now. You have 0, 50. So what I am trying to do here, I'm taking 50 kilopascal as 1 centimeter on x-axis, that is normal stress. Now here you can see here 200, 250. Now you can see here 300. Anyhow, so 300 is enough for us because the maximum value is 300 in data. Now let us select now 50 in the same way. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilopascal. On y-axis, strictly speaking, it is shear stress now. 100, probably 100 is enough for me. So anyhow, 150, there is no demand for 150. So now, what we are going to do now, we are going to locate these points on this graph now. So let us locate now. Here you see, when normal stress is 100, the shear stress is 42. This is 1 point. Then let us see now, when normal stress is 200, now this is 68. 68. Similarly, let us see now, when normal stress is 300, now the shear stress is 95. Now, what we are going to do now, we are going to join these points with a straight line. Now you see here, what we are going to discuss now is, it's very interesting to discuss about adhesion, because here you see we have adhesion, because here two dissimilar materials are there. One is fly ash, another one is geotextile. So here you see the intercept on y-axis. Here you see this is undoubtedly adhesion. This I want to designate it with CA. CA. Now this angle of slope. Here you can see angle of slope made by the failure envelope with horizontal. This I want to write as phi SR. Phi SR is the interface friction between soil and reinforcement. Here we are using fly ash and geotextile. So this is the way we use it to compute, we use it to determine adhesion. That I am trying to say once again, it is the intercept on y-axis, that is shear stress axis, and we have a angle of slope between horizontal and the failure envelope. So this is what I call phi SR. So thank you all.